What's up, my peeps? Today we're going to talk about storage units, how much they cost, should you get one, and what size should you get. Okay, this storage unit is 5 by 15 and I just got it because I have more things to fit in here. See my candy machines that I'm currently selling, but since my house is going under renovation, I would need that space to put whatever extra I have in my house. Now that particular unit costs $135 a month. It's 5 times 5 by 15, and the one that I had, which you're gonna see in just a second, is $86 a month, or 82. Let's call it $85 a month, and it's 5 by 10. I also need to put all that candy here because this is a temperature controlled, so the candy will be good even if you put it there for a long period of time. This was in my house, all of that was in my house, in my living room, and it was a bit annoying. I gotta admit. All right, this is my other unit. It's 5 by 10. As you can tell, gotta haul everything from here out. So machines, screens, toys, coin pusher. If you can find me a coin pusher, I will pay you guys, so please do. All right, so why would you maybe want to consider getting a storage unit? First of all, if you don't have the space and you want to run and operate a business, you have to have a storage unit to store your stuff. Like, I personally made the mistake to order a lot more candy machines that I'm selling right now. I think I have 50 that I have to put in a storage unit. I have one coin pusher that is in the storage unit because I cannot find a location, and various other things. And in my next video, or one of the next videos that I'm gonna make, you guys see, oh wow, they didn't throw my trash. Why didn't you throw my? You guys are gonna see how many things we have in our house. I am right here in front of my property, my next Airbnb, and I am getting it ready for a full renovation, which means getting everything out of the house. You will not know how many things you have that you don't need, that you've used once or twice. And all those things, I suggest you sell them. But if you don't sell them, guys, but if you can't sell them, guys, I suggest you just put them in a storage unit, list them online for sale, and whenever the customer comes, sell them then. It is not that expensive, especially if you want 5 by 5 here in Jacksonville area. I think it's $53 or something for 5 by 5. 5 by 10 is 86, and 5 by 15 is 100 and change, 130 I think, or something like that. But it depends on your needs. Now, if you're a business owner and you have ATMs, for example, you need to store those devices somewhere. My ATM is right there inside my living room, which is not ideal. So basically, if you live with your spouse or kids, that will be uncomfortable. I personally live with roommates that they're kind of used to me bringing random stuff, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, so for business purposes only, definitely get a storage unit. There's two different types. One is temperature controlled, the other one is not. It depends on what you want. I can store candy in the ones that are temperature controlled. All right, guys, that's a quick video for today, just to update you on what's going on with my business, in case you care. Keep hustling, guys, and remember that the goal is not to look rich, but to be rich. See you next time.